Why sync calendars with Google Apps script?
Managing multiple calendars can be tricky. Google Apps script provides a fast, code-based way to automatically combine events from different Google calendars into one view. This saves time, reduces missed appointments, and keeps your schedule organized, all without manual copying or constant switching between calendars.
What is Google Apps script?
Google Apps Script is a free scripting language based on JavaScript. It allows you to automate tasks and build custom solutions within Google Workspace. You can use it to manage calendar, Gmail, Sheets, and more. No advanced programming experience required. With just a few lines of code, you can make Google services work together seamlessly.
Setting up. Accessing the script editor.
To get started, open Google Calendar. Click the gear icon and choose Settings. Then, in your browser, visit script.google.com and create a new project. This brings up the script editor where you'll write and save your automation code. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns your calendars.
Sample script. Sync multiple calendars.
A basic sync script lists each source calendar by its unique ID. The script retrieves all events from the source calendars within a date range, and then copies them into a destination calendar. Be careful to avoid duplicates. Track synced events with a custom label or event description. Run the script manually or set up a time-based trigger for automatic syncing.
Running and authorizing your script.
Before your script runs, Google will prompt you for permission to access your calendars. Review the access request and approve it. Afterward, you can test your script by running it directly in the editor. For hands-free automation, use the Triggers menu to schedule your script to run at intervals such as daily or hourly.
Tips for safe and reliable automation.
Keep your script up to date by checking for changes in calendar IDs. Always back up your calendars before syncing and review new events for accuracy. Custom error messages can help troubleshoot problems. With careful setup, your calendar syncing automation will be dependable and save you valuable time.